Hello dear parents. On behalf of Walnut School, I Pooja Singh welcome you all to 2nd Standard Science class. You must be having many questions regarding what the students are going to learn in this academic year. So, I am here to brief you about what the students are going to learn. Now, you must be thinking, why do we teach science? Good question indeed. According to CBSE curriculum, science starts from 6th standard, but here in Walnut, we teach it from 1st standard. It's one of the Walnut advantage. As we start it early, we keep it easy and simple. Students learn so many different things and slowly they start getting the whole idea of science. How do the students are taught? With the help of the presentation, teacher teaches one or two concepts every period. Worksheets are discussed and completed in the classroom itself. For quick review, revision worksheets are there. Now, we will see the topics that we are going to cover in this academic year. In Unit 1, we are going to learn rainy season, transport, living and non-living things. In Unit 2, we are going to learn about our body and earth. In Unit 3, we are going to learn materials, air and clouds. In Unit 4, we are going to learn animal friends, parts of plants, flowers and trees. In addition to the regular worksheets for extra knowledge, we also have explore on sheets based on the concepts which are taught in the class. These worksheets helps the student build their interest in the subject and develop a research oriented mind. Explore on sheets are not included in exams. Now, the writing part. In the writing part, we mainly focus on the understanding of the concept and the student should be able to read, understand and respond. Most of the questions are tick cross, filling the blanks and one word answer. Few questions in each chapter have full sentence answer, which are already given on the worksheets. Always make a habit of writing neatly and practicing it again and again. It can be done as the part of the homework as lots of revision and reading is done in the classroom itself. Do the rereading of the worksheet regularly. The best way to study is to go through the worksheet and the e-learning videos again and again. Keep practicing. MCQs can be done for more revision. Now, the examination. 2-unit test in each term. 2 such term in a year. Only descriptive exam will be conducted on the exam days. Oral and dictation together make 10 marks. Unit test paper will be of 15 marks and will go on for half an hour. It will have subjective questions only. Overall, 15 marks summative plus 10 marks formative makes 25 marks. It is for every unit. No term exam as it starts from 6th standard. Portion will be whatever they have learned in that unit only. For exam practice, we also have practice test, which helps the student to get prepared for the unit test. This was all about what we are going to do. Now, how you can help student to study well. Don't miss the school, have regular attendance. Practice good handwriting. Make students read loudly, which will enhance their English reading, writing and speaking skills. Now the most important Walnut advantage. As in the science, we have heavy technical words, but here we have used simple language so that student can learn easily. Students get enough time to understand fundamentals basically which starts from 6th standard. Student gets to read, write, speak and understand more English, which help them to build their vocabulary and improve their understanding of the language. In small part, most of the topics of the Standard 6 science are covered before they actually reach there. That's why Walnut students always stay ahead, as we are making them tough outside and smart inside. Aren't we? Thank you all for your patient listening. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.